Hey guys, we received these UT's best sport bands for test and try. These are for the Apple Watch Ultra 2 band or for 345 for 49 bands. So it comes with a two set. So silicone and you can see one is the orange and other is the green with this things in here. So the two pieces and really nice and soft quality, waterproof and replacement strap for the Apple Watches. So they are ultra wide, around 26 on the top, and they can be used very easily with the reinforced and the stable button that I showed. So as this is the waterproof material and both looks really nice, and you can see all the marks and the stuff. So the non-pinching one, so it will not plug in your hair from the hand when you wear it. So it's ready for your watch. So say I have this 45 watch and I'm just trying to put it in here. Goes very easily, so no issues with that. And the from the sides also. And you can put it in any way you want. It just depends like how you want to put it. So once I put in, it goes really fine and there's no pinching and stuff. Comfortable on the hand, waterproof thing. And the other side, you can also see. So this of course the wide band. So looks really wide and it fits for the wrist around medium or large. And here you can see this next green color. So I'm just putting it in here. So the reinforced button goes really well into this and then it holds well the watch and the things. So step-wise, this is fitting is good, easily waterproof, easily washable, cleanable, fits well, holds well, and looks nice as well.